So, our new, charan! I just unpacked it. Unpacked ba? So, right now, we're going to unbox. Cheers! Pwede na dyan ko mag-vlogger. Wait, it's actually an ano. It's a KYT TT Course helmet. Now, they say that this design is very common. Especially sa 955. But, so far, sa akong nakitaan, more maguni siya more. Let's say, pinaka-nice among all other available na KYT helmet. Oh my god. Wow, napay pa freebie. Ano? It's okay. So, freebie nila is or this one. What do you call this one? Ah, okay. This one. Thank you, Panthera. Another one. Okay. So, muna yung freebie. So, this just arrived this afternoon dito sa store na ko siya. Oh my God. Dito sa store na ko siya gipa-deliver. Look at that. Nice yung ano. Nice yung cloth. I mean fabric. There you go. So, it says KYT. Oh, I hope this will fit me. Because ang previously, my helmet is spy. Oh my god, it's so nice. Perfect. Perfect Panthera. Yeah. Ang foam niya is not that baga. It's not that makapal compared to my previous one sa Spider. But then again, I saw a video. Ang creator of that video said, mostly good. Ang medyo, the cheaper ones have mas baga na, ang tawag dito? Mas makapal na foam. Oh my gosh. Shit. Sobrang sarap sa fit. Oh God, I love it. Thank you, Panthera. I bought this one from the Panthera shop sa TikTok. Okay, I love it. Ano siya? Yung size pala nito is medium. Wala siyang free wala siyang ibang free na visor, unlike yung Spider ko, may free siya na clear, but this one seems okay already. Siguro I'll just buy a new visor for this one because bet ko talaga yung mga colored na mga visor, yung mga rainbow, gano'n. Nice, I love it. Out with the old, in with the new. Ciao.